Mga kada, minsan isang tugtog lang ang kailangan para makabuo ng pangarap. At ngayon, may bagong banda na handang magbigay ng bagong tunog at bagong kwento sa ating lahat na hindi misteryoso.
Yes, and sila ang patunay na kapag nagsama-sama ang talento at puso, nagiging musika ang bawat pangarap. So, let's welcome on stage 4 a.m.
Please tell me how to forget. Every day feels like regret. Wandering by your brown eyes, wishing that I could see your smile. Every night alone in bed, I keep on screaming out your name in silence. I can't stop singing about you. Tears are falling down on its own, with the bruises on my guitar, opening my scars. Oh, without you feels like empty in the dark. I'm still reminiscing to the places we've been and the plans we've been dreaming, hoping they are here, calming my raging fears. Ooh. Every night alone in bed, I keep on screaming out your name in silence. I can't stop singing about you. Tears are falling down on its own, with the bruises on my guitar, with opening my scars. Without you feels like empty in the dark. Every night alone in bed, I keep on loving you, but now in silence. I can't stop singing about you. Tears are falling down on its own, with the bruises on my guitar, you're opening my scars. Without you feels like empty in the dark. Empty in the dark. Empty in the dark. Empty in the dark. Oh,
Yes! Welcome to Kada Umaga once again, 4 a.m. Pwede ba kami maghingi na kayo lahat ay dito sa harap? Dala na lang ng mic. Ayun, para makilala namin kayo. Ayun, introduce yourselves and kung ano yung role nyo sa banda para makilala namin kayo lahat.
okay. So, 1, 2, 3, and hi! We are 4 a.m.
I'm Zio.
I'm Boy.
I'm Josh.
I am IC at ako po IC, the main vocals and rhythm guitar. And then,
I'm Zio sa lead guitar.
And I am Boy sa drums.
And I'm Josh sa bass.
Nice, nice. Paano naman nagsimula ang 4 a.m.? 4 a.m. ba kayo nag-iisip ng concept? Ganon.
ayun, actually po yung band po namin kasi kapag nag-get together kami, umabot kami ng madaling araw pag nag-jamming, gano'n, nagkakantahan, gumagawa ng kanta, and biglaan lang po kasi yung pag-form ng band namin. And sakto, 4 po kami. So naisip po namin, 4 a.m. na yun.
Pero madalas talaga nang maabot ng 4 a.m. ha?
Mga puyat po.
Alam ko yun kasi yung mga musicians naman talagang, di ba?
Yeah.
Sa gabi sila usually nagiging more creative. Kayo ba din ganon?
Active po
Yes,
talaga.
yes.
Mga
Yung
nocturnal.
no, mas
Active.
active pa sa paggabi minsan. Pero, well, thank you for doing this in the morning for us.
Always.
How long have you guys been playing together now?
Almost 1 year na po. Mag
1
1 year.
Yes.
Mag-anniversary na.
Yes
4
po.
a.m.
This May.
This May.
Oy, balik kayo dito pag-anniversary niyo.
Yes.
Wait, may
Yes.
viral video din kayo na kanina pinag-usapan natin sa intro, di ba? Na parang may isang banda na napansin sa inyo na sikat ngayon. I will let you guys tell us. Alam ko na yon at alam naman namin dito sa Kada Umaga. Pero please tell our viewers.
So, ito pong viral video po na to, it is Pahina by Cup of Joe. Isa po sa nilolook up po naming band. And hindi po namin na-expect yan kasi biglaan lang po yun. Parang nagpa-practice kami tapos sabi ko, gawa tayo ng video, cover tayo. Tapos mabilisan lang po. And then, nagulat po kami pagka-post namin. Hindi namin inaasahan na, ayun po.
nakita nila.
Opo, tapos
so
nirepost po yan ni
nice.
Gian. Yeah.
That's so cool, no? Like, ano yung
Yes.
feeling? Anong pakiramdam ng ganon?
Nakakakilig po siya. Sobrang nakakakilig po. Like,
Diba? Parang
Super kilig.
nakikilig naman talaga yung ganyan. Oo.
Would you say that Cup of Joe is one of the bands that you look up to or is your inspiration?
Yes.
Yes po, especially po ngayon na nakakatuwa din po kasi isa po yung Cup of Joe sa napapakinggan ko na rin po, matagal na po. Tapos nakakatuwa po na nag-boom po sila.
Naku, na-notice na nila. Baka ang kasunod nito ay collaboration na. Naku, hindi malayo mangyari. Pero ito, si Zio at si Josh, student pa. 'Di ba? Paano niyo naman na-balance yung pagbabanda at yung pag-aaral?
For me, it's all about time management, like efficient time management. It's not easy.
Correct.
But like with the self-control and yung parang willpower mo to
May discipline din,
discipline,
no?
yes.
Kasama.
Biggest factor is discipline. You can balance yung things that you do, like studies and then yung sa music and then other hobbies din na ginagawa ko.
Kasi napaka-importante rin, no, na talagang nag-aaral pa rin tayo. Like kanina na-announce natin na si Epi, di ba, after 30 years, bumalik sa pag-aaral, that nag-graduate pa. Kaya,
Yes.
yan, very good na kaya nyo i-manage yung time. Hindi lahat ng artists kaya nila yun.
You have
Very
to
good kayo.
balance. And syempre mahirap if you're jamming until 4 a.m. tapos you have to go to school the next day.
Mahirap.
Mahirap yun.
Puyat, oh.
Yes. But you said that's where you feel like your creative process is more alive, right?
Paggabi.
So, yeah, in the nighttime. So, can you explain, just like for your original songs, for example, your creative process on creating it?
Yeah, when you
So-
write them.
You write the song.
Kapag nagsusulat po kasi kami ng kanta, kapag magkakasama po kami, alas ano siya parang nagpo-flow lang. magtutugtog yung isa, gano'n. Tapos biglang may makakreate na lyrics. And
Aha.
then, yung areglo kapag magkakasama na kami, yan, pag full band na, yan, doon namin ginagawa ng mga areglo. Actually po, yung MT po kasi, sinulat ko po yun way back 2020 pa po.
Yung kanina na kinanta
Apa,
nyo.
yeah. That,
Di.
2020 pa po yun na isulat. And then,
Okay.
nung nagkakilala po kami, tapos biglaan pang na-form yung band, parang ginawan po namin ng ano po siya, ng rendition yan.
Tapos kaninong kwento tong si Empty? Yung... Yung kwento nyo.
May ilaw pala dun, no? Ayun, yung empty po, story po yun, ayan. Ano po yan, nagawa po yan nung time na, ayan, nasaktan po yung puso.
Sakit.
Oh,
Yeah.
lahat naman tayo dumadaan sa ganyan. Huwag ka mahiya. Okay lang yun. Yung hugot, gagamitin mo for your art, di ba?
Yes.
Doon po
Maraming...
lumalabas yung ano yun, laman ng puso natin, and doon po na napapakita through art, through music, yung mga nagagawa natin.
Yeah.
Yes.
And in a way, it's healing as well.
Yes.
True.
Totoo po yun.
Totoo yan, Jazz. May gusto ka ba mang ka-work in the future? Baka naman sa Cup of Joe mismo. Sino ba gusto na makakolab?
Kayo ba, guys? Anong, ano?
Sa akin,
sinong mga
si,
gusto niyo?
si KZ Tandingan. Siya sa,
Pwede.
Sa akin si Maki.
Maki.
Nice.
For me, it's si Rob Daniel.
Oh,
Rob Daniel.
sa akin siguro, Janine Tinyoso.
Uy, sama-sama natin sa... Wow!
Tara na po.
Gagawa natin ng isang buong album, no? At may bagong music na aabangan ng ating mga kada. May mga bagong release.
Yes.
Ikwento mo na sa amin. Go ahead.
Actually po, yung susunod po naming release, ikukwento po siya ni Zio.
yes.
Oh, nice.
Yung next song na plan po naming i-release is one of the parang life song about life. It's called Uncertainty, and it's about uncertainties in life na you are parang scared of the unknown, but you have to keep on going.
Parang laban pa rin.
Laban.
Even if you're unsure, whenever there's uncertainty, just go on with it. Kasi nga, you don't know, di ba?
You never
You
know.
might end up in a nice place ka.
Exactly.
Gusto ko na pakinggan yan. Kailan ba yan?
Saka tulad po ng bio ng namin, ng banda. Sabi doon merong mga bagay tayong lahat ng bagay may dahilan, kahit yung mga bagay na hindi mo naiintindihan.
Totoo.
Yeah.
That's true.
So,
True.
ganun po.
Gusto ko yan. Thank you so much, Mariam, sa pagbisita sa amin at sa pag-share ng iyong talent at iyong kwento. Nabiting nga ako. Gusto ko nga, hindi pa muna matapusin itong segment na to, pero yun nga lang eh. Wala na tayong time. Kaya may gusto ba kayo i-promote? Go ahead and give us your social media accounts so we can keep up with you.
At so, our socials po, it's 4AM, 4EYEM sa Facebook and sa IG and TikTok. It's 4am.official. Ayan.
Ang cool nga ng spelling eh.
Yes, for I am.
Yes.
Yes, and their song may be called Uncertainty, pero one thing is certain, mga kada. Another original song mula sa ating featured band this morning. So once again, let us welcome on stage 4 a.m.
Sunlight falling from the sky, Heart is beating so loud, and I don't know why. I don't have the words to say. inside my chest. Hindi ko maintindihan ang aking nararamdaman. Think about the days that passed by and the days na tataan sa aking buhay. Still I'll be left wondering why. Pilitin ko man ang isip, tanong ko hanggang sa panaginipan. Paano kung ang kahapon ay dito pa rin at di ko alam kung paano ko haharapin ang kinabukasan. Susubukan ko pa rin araw tatanawin ng maliwanagan kahit di managaran. I don't know this feeling inside my chest. Di ko maintindihan ang aking nararamdaman. Think about the days that passed by and the days na dadaan sa aking buhay. Sa aking buhay. I don't know this feeling. I don't know this feeling. I don't know this feeling. Still I'll be left wondering why. Think about the days that pass by and the days na dadaan sa ating buhay. Still I'll be left wondering why.
1, 2, 3.
Think about the days that pass by and the days na dadaan sa ating buhay. Still I'll be left wondering why. Still I'll be left wondering why.
Let's get together. Sunday at 25. Sunday at 25.